Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on Android. First, let's get the game installed. Make sure your Android device has at least 2 GB of RAM and runs Android 5.1.1 or newer for optimal performance. Open the Google Play Store, search for PUBG Mobile, and tap Install. The game file size is typically around 1.5 GB, so a stable Wi-Fi connection is recommended for a quick download. Once installed, you're ready to launch the game and begin your Battle Royale adventure. Once PUBG Mobile is installed, launch the app. You'll need to log in, usually with your Google Play Games or Facebook account, or you can play as a guest. The game will guide you through a quick tutorial covering essential actions like moving, aiming, and picking up items. Take some time to explore the settings menu. You can adjust your control layout, button sizes, and sensitivity to find what feels most comfortable for you, giving you a significant advantage in combat. Now, let's dive into the gameplay. The main goal in Classic Mode is to be the last person or squad alive on a large map with up to 100 players. You'll need to quickly find weapons, armor, and health kits by looting buildings. Always keep an eye on the map for the shrinking safe zone. Staying outside it will cause damage. PUBG Mobile offers various modes, including fast-paced arena matches and fun arcade modes, each providing a unique challenge and experience. To truly excel, consider these advanced tips. Using good quality headphones can give you a huge advantage, allowing you to hear enemy movements from a greater distance. Practice peeking and leaning from cover to expose less of your body during firefights. Effective communication with your squad, whether through voice chat or quick messages, is crucial for coordinated attacks and revives. Finally, spend time in the training ground to master different weapons and their recoil, which will significantly boost your accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.